Okay, folks, this is your introduction to Module E. In this module, we will cover chapters 11, 12, and 13. Chapter 11 is about morality. There is some disagreement about what morality means, but when we come to general terms, most of us can agree. Chapter 12 and 13 are about happiness and love. These are two things that the humanities sort of specialize in, what they give us. For this discussion, we're going to go back to things that we learned in the previous module. This is going to be your largest discussion of the semester. I want you to go to the Unspooled podcast. You can access it on YouTube or any number of different ways. It is an sort of an academic but entertaining breakdown of theatrically released films. What I want you to do is pick one that you're interested in watching, or one that is a movie that you are very familiar with that you'd like to learn more about. Listen to the podcast. They will average between an hour and 2 hours per film. You can download them onto your phone and listen to them in your car, or whatever way is convenient for you. Then I want you to write about 3 or 4 academic things that you learned from the film. Academic things are not necessarily trivia like star A was paid twice as much as star B. While that is interesting, it's not really about the construction of the film and things that you learned back in the previous chapter on cinema. So I want you to relate what you learned in the text to what you learned about the film and specifically in the podcast. So you will need to reference both of them. I gave you an extra day to do this discussion. It is worth twice as many points. You should write twice as much and put twice as much work into it. This is essentially your project for this interim semester. There's a lot of different movies on there. They've got a section over the classic films. They've got a section over horror, science fiction, romantic comedies. Pretty much any film genre is represented on the podcast. I hope you enjoy it. There is a little bit of harsh language every once in a while in there, so I'm going to go ahead and warn you, if you download it to your phone and you're listening to it with children in your car, do that at your own risk. If you have any questions about this, please let me know.